In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote AI on your mobile device to help write a book. If you want a simple way to brainstorm, organize ideas, and speed up your writing process, Evernote's AI tools can be really useful. Whether you're starting with a blank page, shaping a chapter outline, developing characters, or polishing a scene you've already written, this feature can help you move faster while still keeping your own voice in the final draft. To get started, open the Evernote app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap your profile icon to access your account options. From there, go into Settings, then find AI Features. Inside that section, make sure the AI Assistant is enabled. This is important because if it's turned off, the writing and brainstorming tools won't be available when you need them. While you're in the AI settings, you may also see an option to choose the position of the AI button. If that's available, place it somewhere that feels comfortable and easy for you to reach while writing. A small adjustment like this can make the experience smoother, especially if you plan to use AI often as you draft and revise your book. Once your settings are ready, create a new note for your book. You can use this note as a fresh writing space for a chapter, a scene, a collection of plot ideas, or even a rough planning document. The nice thing about working inside Evernote is that your writing, your notes, and your AI support can all stay together in one place, which makes it easier to stay focused and organized. With your new note open, tap the AI prompts icon in the editing toolbar. This is where you can begin asking Evernote to help with the writing process directly inside your note. You can select Help Me Write if you want general writing assistance, or choose a prompt from the prompt library if you'd like something more specific to guide the AI's response. After that, enter a prompt that tells the AI what kind of help you want. For example, you can ask it to create a chapter outline, generate plot ideas, develop characters, or write a scene based on your concept. The clearer your request is, the more useful the result will usually be. If you already know the genre, tone, setting, or goal for the scene, include that in your prompt so the output feels more aligned with your project. When the content is generated, take time to review it carefully and edit it as needed. Think of the AI as a creative assistant, not the final author. It can give you structure, inspiration, and momentum, but your judgment is what shapes the material into something that fits your book. You might keep some parts, rewrite others, or use the output simply as a starting point. If you already have text in your note and want to improve it, ask the AI to rewrite, expand, paraphrase, or change the tone of your writing. This can be especially helpful when a paragraph feels too flat, too repetitive, or not quite right for the mood you want. It's a practical way to experiment with different versions without having to start over manually each time. You can also open the AI Assistant chat for broader support. This is useful when you want to brainstorm ideas, summarize research notes, or ask questions about information stored in your Evernote account. If you've been collecting background material, plot references, or planning notes, the assistant can help you make sense of that information and turn it into something more actionable for your writing. As you continue working, keep refining your chapters with AI until you're satisfied with the result. You can go back and forth between generating, reviewing, and editing as many times as you need. Evernote will save your changes automatically, so your progress stays protected as you build out your book. With a workflow like this, you can spend less time feeling stuck and more time actually writing.